everyone, welcome back to your channel Life Science Gyan and I am Professor Anukampa. So after a long gap, I am back with a new episode and this episode is from my playlist Science Behind Motherhood. Today's episode is all about what all symptoms, what all precautions you should take if you are in the first trimester of your pregnancy. So let's get into the video to understand more about this. As you all are very much familiar with the thing that a human have a gestation period of 9 months or 40 weeks. And we generally segregate these 9 months into 3 trimesters. First trimester having first 3 months, next 3 months the second trimester, and the last 3 months in the third trimester. In today's episode, we will focus more on the first trimester of pregnancy because this is the most crucial period. Let's talk about certain symptoms that will help you in understanding whether you are pregnant or not. The very first symptom, which is the most important symptom for pregnancy, is when you skip your menstruation. Yes, I'm talking about periods. Menstruation cycle is a biological cycle which is very much important for reproduction and it occurs every month in a woman's life. But if there is a delay in the menstruation or if you have skipped the menstruation, then you must go for an at-home check kit of pregnancy. What is at-home kit? At-home kit is actually an HCG strip where you can drop your first urine in the early morning and check when you start your pregnancy, then the concentration of HCG hormone is very high in your urine. And that helps in detecting whether you are pregnant or not. But having a positive HCG strip doesn't mean that you are for sure pregnant, or having a negative result of the HCG strip doesn't mean that you are not pregnant. So if the result of the HCG strip is positive, then you must visit a medical practitioner or a gynecologist to confirm that whether you are really pregnant. Or if you are getting a negative result and still you are not getting your menstruation, then you must wait for at least 5 or 6 more days, and if still your menstruation is delayed, then you either go for again a checkup through at-home kit or you must visit a doctor. Few other symptoms that help you in identifying whether you are pregnant or not is you will start feeling tired. Just after a little bit of work, you want to have some rest, you want to take a nap. Few people start feeling headache. Few people will start feeling dullness in eyes or having problem in eyesight. Few people start feeling cough and cold without any season. Even few people will start feeling nausea, and which is very common symptom. You either feel nausea with vomiting or sometimes without vomiting. And this is one of the major symptoms that will help you in identifying, are you in the direction of pregnancy? And the last and most important symptom is few female will start feeling tenderness in the mammary glands. So these are the symptoms that will help you in identifying that are you pregnant? So if you are pregnant, then many congratulations. You are going to be mother soon. But before heading forward, you should know that what are precautions you must take when you are pregnant or when you are in the first trimester of your pregnancy. So let's talk about few of them. The things that you should avoid if you are in the first trimester of pregnancy is, you should avoid alcohol and smoking if you do so, because this is very much harmful for the fetus inside your womb. Another thing that is important is you should not give any kind of abdominal pressure. Like you should avoid knitting floor. You should avoid doing such exercises which will give pressure to your abdomen. But you can go with the lighter exercises. If you are a gym person, you must avoid riding bikes. You must prefer driving over riding. And you should avoid using staircase. For those months at least, you must use lift. You should avoid having coffee. You should avoid having chocolates for a few months. And if you are a working woman and you have to travel a lot, then try to have a safe travel. Try to keep all the safety measures while traveling. Drink lots of fluid. Have a proper diet. You must have a protein rich and iron rich diet at that point of time, and you must consult your medical practitioner for certain supplements if required. Must stroll a little bit. Strolling is good at that particular month, I mean in the first trimester. Don't walk very fast, but you can at least stroll. But yeah, of course, consult your medical practitioner once, because everyone is having a different physique, so it varies with person to person. So these are the things that you should follow if you are pregnant, and I will upload few more videos on the same, where I will talk about the second trimester and the third trimester, the symptoms, the precautions, and many more things. So stay tuned, and till then, bye bye.